Hi, Sprout and I are out here at Soul Farm. It's a beautiful 50-degree sunny December day, and we're going to take advantage of this good weather to finish up some of our fall cleanup chores. This one involves our pastures. We've got 3 horses that are out here all summer, and we need to keep our pastures nice and healthy. So today we're going to do just that, and this is a fun job because it involves
Soul Farm is lucky to have 3 terrific horses and 1 little goat as residents during the summer. BJ, Yogi, Boogeyman, and Gunther is the little goat. They come with lots of personality, and the women who visit us really enjoy the time they spend with these big teachers. And I think the boys, as we call them, love it here. They've got a big open pasture to roam in. They've got lots of grass, a shelter, and I often see them running around just burning up energy. All of them are in their mid-20s, which is probably like being 60 in people years. But they're so spunky and they're a little naughty and they're just so much fun. You'd never guess their age. They really do like this big pasture, and it's lucky for us that they have such a big place to roam because these guys are really prolific poopers. I've had lots of horses on these pastures over the years, and these guys really outdo themselves in the poop category. They poop not just in their pasture, but also in one corner of their shelter, just one corner. But of course, I clean that out and I put that into our compost pile because once it dries, it's really good fertilizer for the garden. But it doesn't do much good out in the pasture sitting in big clumps. We have to spread it out. And for this, we use the 4-wheeler. Now, on the back of the 4-wheeler, I attach this implement, a dragger, and I use it to drag it over the poop and spread it out. As I'm sure you can tell by now, this is a fun job. It's pretty satisfying in a weird sort of way, seeing all these little piles pop. And there's this zen in creating efficient patterns to best cover the big pasture. But after a while, it can get a little repetitive, back and forth, and my thumb gets tired. And Sprout says, "Yeah, you've got something to complain about." So nice to see the poop all spread out and picture how green the pasture will be in the spring. All this time sitting on the 4-wheeler gives me lots of time to think and to imagine. I imagine next season at Soul Farm. Should I put in a bigger garden? Would anyone be interested in learning to can? I love jobs that let my mind wander and dream a bit. Soul Farm is a great place to dream, even if you're doing it while spreading out poop.